60 odd miles from a plan. Is it too late to learn to listen?
Yan guys, exercise naman tayo. Walking exercise tayo. Bali ang oras is 11:35 na ng tanghali. Marami na mga nag-exercise dito ngayon.
How many yesterdays
Kasama ko ngayon ang misis ko. Ayan. Dalawa na kami ngayon nag-exercise. Yung isa hindi namin kasama dahil may pasok siya mamaya at nag-study siya.
are between us now.
Kaya marami na naglalakad.
Carried it all. Cobbling miles as we go. A line at a time, or a sad swan song, offering up purple prose. And I'd find you if I could, invite you to the final act. But I think it's understood nothing good can come of that. How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now? Spending the night in Dixon, $60-odd miles from a plan. Is it too late to learn to listen? Too late to be less a man. How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays
Sabado o Linggo guys, di ba ako kaya ito? May oras tayong mag walking exercise. Nahikayat ko yung misis ko. Kailangan natin to guys Hindi yung puro trabaho. Kailangan natin mag-exercise. Kahit man lang walking exercise, okay na yan.
carried it all. a line at a time, or a sad swan song, offering up purple
May mga sabay tayo, mga naglalakad sa likod.
and I'd find you if I could.
Nauna sa atin.
Invite you to the final act.
Sarap ng pakiramdam mo pag naglalakad ka talaga. Kaya kung tinatamad ka magpunta sa gym, walking exercise ka na lang, mas maganda.
Come of that. How many yesterdays are between us now? How
Sumihi.
many yesterdays
Mas kaya.
are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now?
Ayan. Kaya aso? Yung aso? Ayun o. Coyote. Yung aso, nakita mo, tumakbo. Ayun. Coyote yun.
Spending the night in Dixon.
Ayun guys, dami mga dito.
60 odd miles
Mga
from
naglalakad,
a
pahingahan.
plan.
Yan, nakyata pa yan.
Is it too late to learn to listen? Too late
Pahinga muna tayo
to
sandali
be
guys.
less a man.
Hindi na tayo umakyat doon sa mataas kasi ano, baka mahirapan si Mrs. dahil masakit yung paa niya. Next time na natin agatin ulit yun.
Us now.
Yung aga tayo pumunta rito.
How many yesterdays are between us now?
Ano? Oh, pero paano yan? Pabango sa ulam. Ang tawag nila doon, hindi ba yan?
Carried it on. Cobbling miles as we go. A line
Ayun,
at
oh.
a time, or a sad swan song, offering up purple prose. And I'd find you if I could.
Mga kambing.
Invite you to the final act. But I think it's understood. Nothing good can come of that. How many yesterdays are between us now?
Mga ito rin museum dito.
How many yesterdays are between us now?
yung mga pinatigas na lions kayo dyan.
That's a big one. A badger.
Coyote.
Look at his nail. Yeah, those are long.
Spending the night in Dixon.
Long burrowing sometimes. And this is like oceans and deep.
60-odd miles from
Mga real lions to guys, kaya lang pinatigas na nila. Yan.
Yeah, they hop there to eat.
Is it too late to learn to listen?
At yung mga buto.
Too late to be less a man.
Hey guys, andito tayo nga sa museum.
Yesterdays are between us now.
Ang balatang ahas, ayan.
How many yesterdays are
ahas na maliit.
between us now?
Fierce and he's fierce. These days, right down in your zip code.
Ito yung Apo Nature Center. Yan yung museum na maliit lang na ano yan, kwarto. Hindi pa natin napikot lahat yan guys kasi
Carried
hindi na tayo punta dyan. Blacksmith Shake, yan. Sarado pa, hindi pa.
cuddling miles as we go.
Dati nung pumunta ako dito, hindi naman sarado lahat yan eh.
At a time or a
Ito pala, pwede palang ano, titingin-tingin ka. Yan, kaming namamasyal dito. Ito yung mga lumang kagamitan dito.
And I'd find you if I could.
Bali, Ford Tractor. 1922.
The final act. But I think it's understood.
Dito pa.
Nothing good could come of that. How many
Yan guys, tuloy na tayo sa ating paglalakad.
are between us now?
Punta doon sa ating parking lot. Medyo mahaba pa rin yung lalakarin natin.
How many yesterdays are between us now?
Hmm?
How many yesterdays are between us now?
Gusto mo dito? Trail? Ha? Partihan dito. Ito yung magpa-party. Gusto mo mag-trail dito? Papauwi na. Trail lang tayo. Para pawisan ka ulit.
Spending the night in
Oo.
Dixon.
Kaya lang, diretso-diretso, ganyan na lang yan. Daanan yan. Hindi na wala na akyatan.
60-odd miles from a plan. Is it too
Ito ganito lang yun. Akit ka lang konti. Wala na. Hindi man na ano. Doon lang labas yan. Ang labasan lang nito, doon din.
too late to be less a man? How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us
Hello.
now?
Resting time? Huh? Resting time? Sorry, we don't have food for you, okay? Bait siya guys, hindi tumatakbo. Okay, bye. Yan guys, ang mga wild turkey.
Cobbling miles as we go.
Yan, hindi lang turkey ang mayroon dito. Deer, coyote, ang ano dito. Ngayon wala pang lumalabas dahil tanghali na. Pero mga umaga at saka hapon, naglalabasan yung mga yan. Yan guys, malapit na tayo sa ating parkingan. Marami mga naglalakad.
Guide you to the final act.
Wala tatalo guys sa exercise, ng walking exercise. Na-enjoy pa yung mga mata mo, na-exercise mo pa yung sarili mo.
Nothing good could come of that. How many yesterdays are between us now? How many yesterdays are between us now?
Saan guys yung mga kape?
How many yesterdays are between us now? Spending the night in Dixon. 60-odd miles from a plant. Is it too late to learn to listen?
Yan guys, so ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Tahimik yung lugar. Dito to sa Rancho, San Antonio. Dito talaga ang puntahan ng karamihan pag nag-exercise, walking exercise. Lalo na sa umaga guys, sarap ng ano dito, maglakad-lakad. Yan. Lalo pa nakikita mo yung mga mga deer na tumatakbo dyan. Kaya ngayon wala dahil siguro tanghali na. Yan, kaya mga naglalakad dito. Paikot yan hanggang sa bundok. Yun, sa taas ng bundok na yan. Yan, hanggang doon. Iikot ka doon. Guys, natapos na namin yung hiking namin. Nandito na kami sa parking lot. Pero maglalakad pa kami ng ilang dahil first parking lot lang to, hindi pa dito at kami nakaparking sa kabila.
And I'd find you if I could.
Doon tayo sa kabila.
Guide you to the final act.
Hindi pa.
But I think it's understood. Nothing good can come of that. yesterday are between us now. How many yesterdays are between